introduce you.
Baby chef.
Baby chef.
Yeah. Chef baby. And we cook?
Us.
Okay, we're gonna put some tomatoes in.
Us.
Alright, say tomatoes. Oh yeah. Green onions. Onions. Green onions. Can we put more? Alright, let's get some more. Let's get some more. That is gonna help. Yeah, we got to put all of the cheese. Alright, we're gonna do it together. Come on, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. Pepper, say pepper. Yellow pepper. What's that? What's that one? Yeah. What's that? Cucumber. More. I don't know. More cheese. Let's do it together. Alright, you gonna help Dada? More cheese from here. 1, 2, 3. Let's put it here. Yeah. Yeah. Put some cucumber and cheese. Now we need some pepper. Some more pepper. Yeah, pepper and tomato. Let's do it. Pepper and tomato. Help me. Do you approve of the oil? Oil. Oh no! Olive oil. Then we're gonna put some cayenne. Slowly. Good job. Now give me that back. We need some cumin. Smell. That smell good. More cumin? Yes, chef. Can we shut now? All right. Now, yes, salt, of course. Good job. Now we got to mix. Are you ready to mix? Well, Dada's gonna help you, okay? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fork left. Now we need some 1, 2, 3. Shake. Parsley. Yeah, and now it looks beautiful.
Eat.
You wanna eat? Yum.
Yes.
Okay. Did you make Mama lunch? What are you doing?
Cook.
You're gonna cook?